have just made a mad dash down to the docks because we're going to do a boat trip today. The trip is to go see the Benagil Caves, if that's how you pronounce it. I might have butchered that. Benagil Cave, some other caves, and then we might see dolphins, and then we get off and have a swim somewhere. And they picked us up from the hotel and they'll drop us back at the hotel as well. So we're excited.
The Algarve has to be one of the most beautiful places we've ever visited. The cliffs, the colours, the ocean, it all feels like something out of a postcard. If you're planning a trip here, definitely add a Benagil Cave boat tour to your list. It's one of the best ways to see the coastline. You get to explore hidden caves, glide through blue waters and experience views you just can't get from land. It's relaxing, it's exciting, and honestly, it's one of those moments you'll remember long after the holiday is over. So if you're coming to the Algarve, make time for a boat tour. You won't regret it.
Tourists from this beach, they will go with their fishing rod. This sounds 3 different. Do a backflip! Do it!
Come on!
I don't want to jump.
Come on!
So guys, now I need your imagination. See this big, it can be a dog as well, yeah.
As you glide into the caves, it almost doesn't feel real. Every arch and curve was carved by the Atlantic over millions of years, layer by layer, wave by wave. The patterns you see on the walls are actually ancient limestone, slowly shaped by erosion, storms, and time itself. Inside, the sound changes too. The echo of the waves makes everything feel calm and a little bit magical, or a little bit scary if you're anything like me. Some caves even open up to secret beaches that you can only reach by water. It's one of those experiences where you realise just how incredible nature can be.
Oh, I don't like it.
Look at the mermaids. Crabs. Yes.
Was that cool, Luca?
Yep. We're still going in now.
Oh.
This was honestly such a fun family day out, and we hope it inspires you to visit the Algarve. We've got a whole playlist with lots of other Europe destinations too, so if you want more easy family travel inspo, hit subscribe and come along with us.